Divine greetings, all African royals, wherever you are. And big up to my Jamaican family all over. I am Ella. I love to read and discover truth nuggets. Do you like discovering golden truth nuggets? Then where are we from? Join me on Xaymaca Unity Truth TV and make we discover some truth nuggets together. I will be reading from the Handbook of Human Ownership, a manual for new tax farmers. Yeah, holy truth nuggets we discover in there. So make sure you subscribe and join me as we dive down chapter by chapter and dig out the golden nuggets of truth. Yeah, and make sure you have the notebook and your pen ready.
Xaymaca Unity, them for know straight love we need in the community. It's time for us to unite, my brothers, my sisters. Let's join hands together. It's the only way to rise above inequality. One nation, freedom, my people, freedom.